So let's jump right into our trivia of the day.
Yeah, done, Noah. So we was talking about King of the Dancehall, the topic for today's show, and we came to this trivia question. Let's see how Caribbean you are. What is the name of the 1985 dancehall production that marked the era from analog to digital for dancehall music? Let's see who's going to get this right. Now, I mixed it up a little bit. So we're going to go with A, taxi rhythm, B, dembow rhythm, C, Diwali rhythm, or D, Sleng Teng rhythm. So, another island heat show. Hey, hey, number one Caribbean, you don't know. Number one Caribbean, you don't know. Mixing it up on the island heat show. Hey, Pop Studio.
Lady.
All right. Woo. We gave them more than a taste there. We gave them that heat.
Digital rhythm. That's when now, so no live musicians, no instruments, digital rhythm, first Sleng Teng, and probably one of the most popular and most used dancehall rhythms, especially in Sound Clash. We were talking about Sound Clash last week, and definitely
True.
a big anthem rhythm.
Yes, you have to big up